Hi, in this video I am going to talk about the premium consulting service that I provide. This is not a typical tutorial video that I generally provide in my channel. This is about this consulting service, and recently this service is getting quite popular among my clients, and I am getting a constant feedback. The feedback I'm usually getting, that people are saying that they are glad that they have found my channel or they have found this consulting service. So I thought that I would let you know a bit more about this service, and you can decide if this is something for you. And I will suggest that you watch this video. And about this consulting service is basically 6 one-to-one video calls between us. The most common objection I get about this premium consulting service before people enroll in this service about my accent, that many people, before taking this service, many people kind of bit confused or concerned that if they will understand my accent. So I am the real master editor. I am the brain behind this channel, and I put long tutorial videos on my channel, and I use AI voice. The reason I use AI voice is because I put long explainer videos, and with this accent it is difficult for some people to understand. But the one-to-one meeting is a different thing. I have more than 15 years of experience working with people from Scandinavia and US, and I don't think that one-to-one meeting my accent will be a problem. So I wanted to let you know about a bit more about who take this service and what kind of benefit they are getting, and at which purpose people actually take this premium consulting. And each of the session is 1 hour long, and there is a reason why I have make these meetings 1 hour long. I think that if a meeting is only 30 minutes or 40 minutes, then there is a kind of rush, like you will be rushing to get all the information on those time. I'll be rushing to explaining things. But if the meeting is 1 hour long, then it is kind of like people are getting more time to express their concerns, more time to express their difficulties, and I am also getting more time to explain things in detail. And you can schedule the meeting at your convenient time. If you book the service, then I'll give you a link to my calendar, and from there you can book the meeting slots as you wish. And you can take this meeting with Adobe Audition or Audacity or any other audio editing software that you use. And you can take this consulting for voiceover, audiobook narration, podcast, or content creation, voiceover, whatever you prefer. And there is no fixed curriculum on this consulting service. Let's look at some of my participants, like who took premium consulting or consulting from me. Like the first one I put here is John Baker. John is a professional voiceover artist. He's already doing voiceover work, but to make sure that he is doing everything correctly and efficiently, he has taken the premium consulting. He is using Adobe Audition. So he is not new to voiceover. He is already doing voiceover work, but there are many areas where you can improve, and after those improvement you can work very efficiently, produce your voiceover, and the quality of the voiceover will be great, and that will also help you. That actually helps eventually to get more voiceover jobs. So that is the purpose for John Baker taking the premium consulting service. Then there is some other people who took the service for audiobook narration. You can see here that M. Charles has taken this for audiobook narration. He was using Audacity at that time. He already has 6 or 7 books published on Amazon, and he is doing his own voiceover. So he took premium consulting for his audiobook narration. Then John is a beginner on Adobe Audition, and he's pursuing a career on voiceover, and he took premium consulting to get started with Adobe Audition. And then you can see that Lee is also professional voiceover actor, and he took consulting from me on his audiobook narration work. that is a he is not writer of that book. He actually narrated that book for other people, and he is a professional voiceover actor. Then you can see Russell Hogg. Russell Hogg owns the podcast, the history podcast Subject to Change. He's from UK. He also took consulting for his podcast. He was using Audacity at that time. So you can see that people at different goals has taken the consulting and are pretty successful at what they are doing now. So if you want to enroll on this consulting, at the bottom of this page, you can go and click on this link, enroll in consulting, and then you will be taken to my shop. And from my shop, you can order this, and the price of the consulting is currently 597, but I will in the video description I will give you a coupon code. With that coupon code you can get the consulting service at you will get $100 off, so that will be 497 for you if you use that coupon code. And if you have any more questions about this consulting service, please send me an email. My email address will be at the description of this video. So if you are looking for a fast, efficient way to scale up your audio editing game, then the premium consulting for you. The premium consulting is actually kind of a shortcut. It is in premium consulting, I actually give you immediate feedback. You will be practicing, and I'll be giving you feedback if you are doing something wrong, and I'll be also explain things in detail, so it will be faster and easier for you to understand and implement. Because what happens if you watch a YouTube video, if you watch a 10-minute YouTube video, then in those 10-minute YouTube video, in those 10 minutes in a course lecture, there are lots of information, but you have to have the responsibility to practice that. But what happens, people actually watch the video, watch the lecture on the course, and they don't practice. And even if they practice, they actually don't know if they have done it correctly or is it wrong. So with the premium consulting, you actually practicing in real time, you will be getting feedback on real time, and it will be a very fast process for you to learn and to achieve your goal. So I'll put the link in the description, and also use the coupon code. And if you have any question, please send me an email. Thank you for watching.